Sonar. Sonar stands for Sound Navigation and Ranging. It is a device which uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance, direction, and speed of underwater objects and helps mariners to investigate the nature, size, and location of the object so that potential threat to the vessel is identified and overcome. How does it work? Sonar has a transmitter and a receiver which are installed at the bottom of the ship. The ultrasonic waves transmitted by transmitter travel underwater and get reflected back from obstacles. The detector receives the signal and converts it to electric signal. A computer forms image of the obstacle and displays it on a monitor. It also calculates distance of the object using this formula. Distance is equal to speed into time upon 2. Speed is equal to speed of sound in saline water equal to 1530 meters per second. This method is called echo ranging. The sonar technique is installed in every ship to determine the depth of the sea and to locate underwater hills, valleys, submarines, icebergs, and sunken ships, etc., to avoid a disaster.